Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews and recommendations. Today, we're diving into the ultimate solution for winterizing your sprinkler systems and outdoor faucets. The Winterize Sprinkler Systems and Outdoor Faucets Blowout Adapter with Shut-Off Valve. Let's jump right in. If you're a homeowner looking to protect your outdoor plumbing from freezing temperatures, this product is your best friend. Made by Vibrant Yard Company, it's engineered for efficiency, durability, and ease of use. First off, let's talk about the build quality. Crafted from solid lead-free brass, this adapter is built to last. Its 17-inch length gives you ample reach, while the shut-off valve, made from forged brass, ensures extra strength and durability. Now, here's the genius part. This adapter connects your air compressor to your sprinkler system or outdoor faucet with ease. No more costly professional services. With a quick connect plug on one end and a female garden hose faucet connection on the other, it's a breeze to use. But what sets this adapter apart? It's the attention to detail. The flexible and kink-free Insta-Grip hose minimizes stress on pipes and fittings, while the reduced joint design decreases the chance of leaks. Plus, it's 100% outdoor rated and virtually indestructible. And the versatility? Outstanding. Not only does it work for sprinkler systems and outdoor faucets, but it's also perfect for RVs, boats, and various plumbing applications. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or a seasoned homeowner, this adapter has got you covered. In conclusion, if you want to save time, money, and hassle during the winterization process, look no further than the Winterize Sprinkler Systems and Outdoor Faucets Blowout Adapter with Shut-Off Valve. It's the best investment you can make for your outdoor plumbing. That's all for today's review. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more expert product critiques. Until next time, happy winterizing!